Welcome back, guys. Today we are doing multiplications. Firstly, we need to find out how multiplication works. We say we take the number in each group, then we put an x. This x means multiply or times the number of groups. We put down our equal sign and then we get our answer. But most importantly, we need to remember that for multiplication to work, there has to be the same number in each group. Let's take a look at example. Meet Ritumetse. Ritumetse has 2 bicycles. His uncle gave him a pump so that he can pump his wheels once they get flat. So the question is, we need to know how many wheels is Ritumetse responsible for? Remember, he has 2 bicycles. So now we need to take out all the wheels from the bicycle. Let's do that. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we're going to do our multiplication. Remember we said we need to firstly find the number in each group. Let's find out the number in each group first. So remember we counted 2 wheels from each bicycle. So therefore 2 is our number in each group. Then we put down our multiplication sign. Now we need to find out the number of groups. Let's count. 1, 2. So there are also 2 number of groups. So we put down our 2. Then we put down our equal sign because now we need to find out our answer. So now we are going to skip count in 2s. Let's go. 2, 4. Good job. So it means 2 multiplied by 2 gives us a 4. Let's take a look at another example. Meet our friends Nduduzo, Dalia, Tiamo, Esther, and Mbali. They all have tricycles. Remember, a tricycle is a bicycle that has 3 wheels. Let's give it to them. Nduduzo, Dalia, Tiamo, Esther, and lastly, Mbali. So the question here is, how many tricycle wheels are there all together? So what we need to do is we need to take out all of the wheels from the tricycle. Let's start with Nduduzo's bike. 1, 2, 3. Dalia. 1, 2, 3. Tiamo. 1, 2, 3. Esther. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, Mbali. 1, 2, 3. So now we're going to do the multiplication. Remember, guys, that first we need to find out the number in each group. Remember we counted that there's 3 wheels on 1 tricycle. So therefore, our number in each group becomes a 3. What do we have to do next? Good job. We need to put down our multiplication sign. And now we need to find out the number of groups. How many tricycles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. We've got 5 tricycles. So we say we've got 5 number of groups. Then we put down our equal sign. Now we need to find our answer. So now we're going to skip count in 3s 5 times. Let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Very good. So it means that 3 multiply by 5 gives us 15. Good job, guys. So now we're going to learn about our multiplication tricks. Our first trick is that the order of the multiplied numbers does not change the answer. Let's find out how. We say that the number in each group multiplied by the number of groups will still give us our answer. Or we can say our number of groups multiplied by the number in each group will give us the same answer. For example, if I say 1 multiplied by 5 will give me 5. Or I can say 5 multiplied by 1 will still give me 5. Do you guys see that? Our answer is still the same. Our second trick is that if you multiply any number by 0, you will always get a 0. 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 11 will give me 0. 100 multiplied by 0 will still give me 0. 0 multiplied by 1,000 is still a 0. Our third trick is that if you multiply any number by 1, it stays the same. 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. So if we have 7 children in the class and we each give them 1 apple, so now we need to find out how many apples did we give out. That's right, we gave out 7 apples. So that's why we say 7 multiplied by 1 still gives us a 7. 100 multiplied by 1 still gives us 100. 33 multiplied by 1 will still give us 33. And lastly, to always use your multiplication tables. Thank you for joining me for this lesson on multiplications. Until next time, stay safe. Remember, guys, if you are to leave your house, to always keep your distance away from other people and stay safe.